Hi reading team, this is Chris Abraham from GOHacademy. I want to share with you some updates on the reading pre-workshop homework page. If you get to this page and scroll down to the bottom, you're going to notice that I've uploaded some new practice exams, and I've organized these practice exams a little differently. The column to the left are exams similar to the 90. So if you're a teacher taking the 90 exam, you can look at the ones to the left. These are all similar exams written around the same time. The column in the middle is those more recent exams written in the last 2 years, like the new 190 practice exam. And there's not just the 190 here, there's a couple other really new ones, like the RICA, which has 3 different parts, a New York exam, the 065, and an Illinois new exam, the 222. These are all really good ones to look at because you're going to see some of those newer questions similar to the 190 test. And then I've also added the new 62 practice exam. This exam just came out today, within the last 24 hours. So I'm just going to press on it here. It's 100 questions. It looks a little bit differently than some of the other exams that they posted. And what you're trying to do is, just like all the other exams, you're trying to read the questions, understand the questions, trying to get additional practice with the questions. All right? You can do that for this new 62. And there's some other exams here that are really cool as well, like the TExES 151. That's a really cool one as well. I wanted to organize this and add this new 62 exam up here just to help out each group of teachers that came to the class use this study material. And by no means, a teacher taking the 62 can learn a lot from looking at the 90 and the 190. So you can do this in a lot of different ways. But I wanted to sort this out a little bit because there are differences. The exams written 8 to 9 years ago are slightly different. The new exams are different. They cover a little bit more material. The reading specialist exams are a little bit harder. So at least you have these different levels and the information's organized. And you have that new 62 practice exam. If you're a reading specialist, you got to look at it. Okay? All right, team, I hope this helps. And please keep me posted on how your exams go over the next couple of weeks. Have a great day, team. Bye-bye.
Hi, team. This is Chris Abraham from GOHacademy. This spring, GOHacademy is turning all the workshops into webinars. These classes are going to be covering the same material as a regular workshop. We're going to do them in 7 hours, and they're held on Saturdays and Sundays in the morning. I encourage you to check out a webinar. I'm sure you'll find them very helpful.